Hey, Bryant with Harvest Tech here in Logan, Utah. I wanted to go through a couple of the concerns we get with inaccurate moisture readings on the dual star wheels. We were able to come out to this baler here and determine that there was some inaccurate moisture readings. If you take a look on these star wheels, over time, you'll end up seeing that there is some slop. Well, this star wheel may not be the issue given the inaccurate moisture reading, but before long, that star wheel will be working its way out. What I want to show is on the left-hand star wheel over here, as this star wheel here has worked its way out of the block, it is then making contact with the metal twine diverter. So anytime that there's metal touching this twine diverter, it's going to give a false reading. It would be time to take these star wheels off of the baler and potentially send into Harvest Tech or look at rebuilding or potentially even replacing completely. So simple fix, unhooking on the 700 series, unhooking the Deutsch plug, removing these star wheels. And another thing we often hear about is customers have a concern getting these star wheels out when there's hay in the chamber. Well, quick tip behind that: if you have a sawzall, you can cut down into this area. Get your hand under here and potentially get these two bolts off of here. So real simple to cut with a sawzall down into the top of the bale and not having to worry about ejecting the bale completely. Hope that helps and gives you a little bit of information on properly diagnosing star wheel moisture accuracy.